Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create gaming highlight edits in CapCut. Let's get started. Open the CapCut app and tap a new project and import your gaming clips for your gallery. And trim the raw footage to keep only the best highlights. And you can go to the audio and click sounds or upload your own track. You can use the bit sync tool to hit the best markers so your edits hit perfectly with the music. And you can split your clips with the action points. Apply smooth transitions like zoom, spin, or flash cut between clips for fast-paced gaming vibes. You can also use a video effects if you like. And you can add overlays like flames, electricity, or neon stickers and insert a fun gaming stickers for styles. And you can add text and subtitles that add kills count, funny captions, or commentary. You can customize it and color it to fit your gaming theme. You can also apply filters for cinematic or neon vibe. And once satisfied with your edit, you can now tap export and choose a high resolution. Share your edit directly to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.